Hey everybody, so I have decided I'm going to do a little video test review of this vacuum cleaner that we got. It is a Hoover Wind Tunnel max capacity. I already use it for the living room just because it was hard to film while vacuuming that big area. So our bedroom's a little bit smaller, so I figured I would vacuum in here. Alright, so this right here, that's a little lever. You just push it down and then it'll go on a curve, and then that red button right here is the power button. Ooh, I need to just take it for a ride. Alright, let's vacuum under here.